So hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can easily overclock your NVIDIA GPU just by one click. So what you have to do first, you have to press in your computer Alt plus Z, then you have to go to your performance tab, and then you have to just enable the automatic tuning option. So what it does, it just overclock your GPU, prevention of safety or whatever you want to call. It doesn't burn your GPU, but you will get like 10 to 15% more performance with your graphic card. So it is a very useful option. You can use it. I will recommend you to use this option, but the one thing that you have to notice that you first need to install your GeForce Experience. So in order to install your GeForce Experience, what you have to do, you have to open your Chrome browser and you have to write GeForce Experience. Then you have to search. You will go something like this website, download GeForce Experience NVIDIA. You have to just download this version and then you have to install in your computer. And then it's good to go. Just press Alt Z, go to Performance tab and then enable this thing. So that's it. Thank you for watching.